Hello friends, in this video we will discuss about the cost component structure in product costing. So the breakup of the cost can be done by the means of cost component structure, and we can view in our customizing screen. So in the controlling, the product cost controlling, so into the product cost planning, you can see basic settings for material costing. So where we can see the defined cost component structure. So I just executed. So we can see the number of cost component structure in the screen. So now we are going to create a new one. So just go over to the new entry. So let me create a new cost component structure with the name BE. Okay, just go to the primary cost component split. I just tick here and I will save it. So once we done all the configuration, I will make the active symbol activate here. So as of now, I just save this. So this shows that the cost component structure defines the uh, primary cost component split. So as the result, the cost from the cost center also are also included in the cost estimate. So I just save it and just select this and double click on cost components with attributes. So I can differentiate with this material cost, labor cost, and overhead cost. So I will make my cost component structure that is BE that is allocated for the cost component. Let me take some values or some characters. Okay, 0, 5. Let me name it as material cost. So here I'm defining the fixed and variable cost, and I have defined the roll-up cost component, and uh, and this is very essential so that the cost of uh, the cost of the raw materials will be rolled up to the semi-finished material, and the cost of semi-finished material will be rolled up to the finished material. So this is an essential parameter to be ticked. And the filter criteria, I've defined the cost of goods manufactured and fixed and variable cost in the inventory and commercial inventory. So, so I will save this. This is my first cost component structure. This is the cost component group. So under my cost component structure, I have defined one cost component group here. I will save it, and for this we will assign some cost elements. I will just double click on assignments. Just click on new entry. So the cost component structure we have created as BE, my chart of accounts, and from cost element, here it is two cost element. So let me check. Just new open session, new session. We will define. So in my expense, we can see the concept. Okay, these are my raw materials. It starts from 50009 to 12, and then these two are my semi-finished goods. So I just link here from 9 to 13. I will link here 50009 to 500. Okay, 12. So the origin group is this field we have defined in our material. You can refer in our previous videos. Since I think it is for second video. Okay, here it is. And the cost component, it is material cost. And similarly, we need to link for our semi-finished also. So the cost elements associated with it is 13 to 14. So the same origin group and the same one. So I will save this. So I just select both of this and I just go to the cost component views, and we will define these views, especially the cost of goods manufactured. I just select this and go to the next, the assignment of the organization units with the cost component structure. So we can define here. I just go to the okay. I will just copy one existing one. Let me copy this. So I will just change my company code. We will mask the plant and cost components. This is cost component structure. I think. No, it is costing variant. So I just mask this too, and the validity 2022. Okay, the cost component. It is the cost component structure, that is BE. Just click on enter. Okay, you can see our entry here. I'll just save it. Just move back. Now I'm just again doing for the labor cost and overheads. There's a okay. I just select this and I just go to the cost component with attributes again. We'll create a new one. So the cost component structure, but I'm going to create a new cost component group here for my production costs. Okay, the same one. Just save this. Double click on assignment of cost elements. So the cost elements I'm going to link here is the production cost along with the electricity charges. So from 5 to 16. Or else I can link it separately also, since both of the costs are difference. There are it is okay. This the same origin group. Okay, I just leave this two cost element, or else I can enter like this. The production costs. Okay, I just save this and select both of this, and I just go to the update. I have not used this update of additive cost. We have not defined any of the additive cost here, and also the transfer structure. So I just left these things, and now I'm going to the. I have selected this, and I need to double click on cost component views, and I just select the first one and double click on assignments. So we no need to create some additional one because already it is linked. You can see here. So I just save this and I will click on back. Now the last one. For admin overhead, I just select this, and once again I'm going to perform this. So you can see the two cost component groups have been created. Now I'm going to create a new one for the 07. This for admin costs. Okay, save this. Now I'm double click on assignment of cost component. New entry. I have only one account created, the last one, that is 50017. The origin group. Okay, I've linked. Select this and double click on cost component views, and this view is essential. I just select this and going to the assignment of organization units, where I've assigned okay, likewise I can the final thing is I've performed all the necessary steps, and now I want to activate this also. I just click on activate one, so you can see the cost component structure has been successfully activated. So likewise we can create our cost component structure. So in our next session we will discuss about the production order and its necessary configurations. So thank you friends for watching this video. We will continue in the next video. Thank you.